Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Mary Oluwalana here, back with another video. This video is called The Peacock, named by my sister. It's got a lot of blues, purple, like yeah, blues and purple colours in there. And yeah, I guess that's why she called it The Peacock. So if you like this look, please continue watching and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Mary Oluwalana Beauty, and that's for my makeup page, and my personal page is Maretal XO, MARETALLXO. See you guys in my next video. Bye. So first off, we're starting off with some Nivea micellar water, and I'm using a wipe. I didn't have any cotton pads to clean my face. I'm taking my Mari, I don't know how to pronounce the surname, but rosebud spray, and I'm just putting it all over my face just to prep the skin for the foundation. Also some Vaseline, my lips will dry. So I'm taking the Jaclyn Hill palette, Morphe palette, and I'm using that first colour as a transition colour. Next I'm taking the Saharan 2 palette by Juvia's Place, and I'm taking that orangey shade and I'm putting that just underneath and kind of on top of the first colour we used. Going in with the darker brown shade in the crease. Then that like purplish burgundy colour as well from the same palette. Mix all the colours together. Gonna come back to do the other eye, so the other eye's done, and now I'm just cutting the crease. I sped this bit up because this bit takes a long time to do. You know, you've got to be quite precise and take your time doing it so that the line can be perfect and more or less perfect. Just cutting the crease with some concealer. Going back into the same palette, and I'm using that blue. That blue is amazing. This palette is amazing. Juvia's Place is amazing. Now I'm going with the Urban Decay Moondust, and I'm taking the Galaxy shade, like a glittery shadow. And I'm using it's like a blue, but it's darker blue. The blue that I got from the Juvia's Place palette. Then I'm going in the Saharan palette, and I'm taking the black and I'm putting that in the outer V.
Rick is on the beat.
A smaller brush just to give it a bit more precise the places that I wanted to get it, because I didn't want the black to overpower the whole look, so I just used it for precision. Taking this little like blue glitter liner pen. It's from Superdrug. It's from the collection. I think it's like £1 or £2, but I love it. She's feeling my face, ha. She's feeling my place. She want to be with me when Taking my Inglot gel liner, and I'm just creating a wing liner with the Real Technique liner brush. Taking my Estee Lauder mascara. I'm just putting a coat of mascara on so that I can fix my falsies. These falsies are from AliExpress. I'm taking a wipe and I'm just wiping off all the fallout from the eyeshadows. I'm taking my H&M primer. This primer is amazing. It's a mattifying primer, and a little goes a long way. So I literally just put it on my nose. Didn't want to put it all over the face because it does dry very, very matte, and it is really hard to work with. I'm taking my Huda Beauty foundation and Estee Lauder foundation. Huda Beauty is in the shade Mocha, and the Estee Lauder is in the shade 5W, if I believe, or 5C. 5C, sorry, 5C. I'm just going to blend those two together. Taking the LaProGirl Fawn under my eyes, down the bridge of my nose, top of my lip and my chin, as I always do. And I'm taking two of the NYX concealers in the shade 6.3 and 6.7, just to give me a bit of a brighter and more full coverage of the concealer. Taking my Real Technique sponge and I'm just blending out the concealer. I love to use a sponge. I think it blends really well with a sponge. Just taking the excess foundation on the brush and just trying to make sure that it's all seamless. Just took a bit more of that 6.3 just to give it a bit more of a brighter look under the eye. Took my L'Oreal True Match foundation in the color 9R, and I'm using that foundation to contour. Taking my Revolution banana powder and I'm using that to bake all the places where I put my concealer. I'm going to do the under eyes, and I'm taking that purple shade that was in the Saharan 2 palette, and I'm using that under my eyes. Then I'm using my NYX contour palette, and I'm taking the two dark shades and setting the foundation that I used to contour with, just to bring it out more. Get a contour like Chinga on the nose. Taking my MAC Skin Mineralise Skin Finish in the shade Dark, and I'm using that to dust off my baking powder. And the powder is quite quite light. So that's a good trick if you feel like your face is gonna come out a bit too white or greyish. Just get a Skin Mineralise Skin Finish powder and use that to dust it off. Then I'm taking the Skin Mineralise Skin Finish in Dark Deepest, and I'm taking that and I'm just going to blend all over the face one more time. Taking my Estee Lauder mascara again. I'm just doing the bottom eyelashes with that. And then my favourite MAC blush. I still don't know the name, guys. I'm so sorry. It's been a while and the name has come off of it, so I don't really know the name. Taking my MAC Cheeky Bronze highlighter and I'm just highlighting my face with that. My nose, my nose, forehead, and then my Chestnut lip liner, my Holy Grail lip liner, my fave. Just outlining my lips with that. Bring it in so that it can mix well with the nude lipstick. Taking my NYX nude lipstick in 07 is the liquor. The liquor or lingerie? Lingerie. Then I'm taking the NYX Butter Lip Gloss in the shade. Here's a closer look at the eyes. Setting my face again with that rose water. This is I hate this part now, guys. Just hate when it's just all over my body. So I'm just gonna do my hair and I'll be back. So this is the final look, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the look. And I hope to see you guys in my next video. Stay blessed, guys. Bye.
I'm all up on her waist when we dancing. She don't care about nobody when we standing. Make you ginger me. House they want to ginger me today. Make you ginger me. All the ladies in the house they want to ginger me. Hey, hey, carry they go for a bad man. See the way she they roll for a bad man. She be taking it slow for a bad man. When she dropping the low for a bad man. Baby carry they go for a bad man. See the way she they roll for a bad man. She be taking it slow for a bad man. When she dropping the low for a bad man. Baby carry they go for a bad man. See the way she they roll for a bad man. She be taking it slow for a bad man. When she dropping the low for a bad man.